Top of the hour, let's talk about the Sukhu-led Congress government in the state of Himachal Pradesh, which is in news once again, this time for trying to raise funds through magic shows held at the state government schools. Now, the Congress government has drawn BJP's ire on numerous occasions for allegedly running the coffers dry, owing to its guarantee schemes and resorting to desperate measures to raise funds. Now, fresh controversy has erupted after an official letter that went viral on social media. This letter that has been issued by an education officer in Hamirpur asking to contribute 30% of the earnings from magic shows organized in government school towards the CM's relief fund. Now, after drawing massive flag from the opposition BJP, the government was forced to withdraw the order. But the politics, however, continues to rage on, with the BJP slamming the Congress government of what it calls the Khatakhat loot model. The BJP leaders also say that such decisions led by Sukhu Sarkar is now bringing disrepute to the people of the state.
हालात प्रदेश के ये है कि इनको सरकार चलाने के लिए मंदिरों से पैसा लेना पड़ रहा है, केंद्रीय परियोजनाओं से पैसा लेना पड़ रहा है और हालात तो अब ये पहुंच गए कि स्कूलों में जादूगरों का शो जादू करवाकर मुख्यमंत्री राहत कोष के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा करने की नोटिफिकेशन जारी हो रही है। इसलिए मैंने कहा कि आपकी हालात अगर इतनी दयनीय है तो फिर सचिवालय के बाहर दान पात्र रख लो ताकि आते जाते लोग उसमें दान डाल।
हिमाचल प्रदेश में कांग्रेस पार्टी सरकार की उपलब्धि है तिजोरी की सफाई, तो अब हाथों की सफाई। आदेश जारी हुआ है कि जो मैजिक शो करने वाले हमारे जादूगर भाई बहन हैं, उनकी कमाई के 30% डिपॉजिट करने पड़ेंगे डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट असिस्टेंस फंड में। बताइए, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स, प्रेशर कुकर पर टिकट, और अब जादूगरों को भी नहीं बख्शा गया। अब बड़े आक्रोश के बाद इस आदेश को वापस लिया गया है। ये है हिमाचल सरकार की प्राथमिकता, तिजोरी साफ और अब जादूगरों को नहीं करेंगे माफ।
Now, the State Education Minister, Rohit Thakur, however, has asserted that the order has been withdrawn and immediate explanation has also been sought from the officer. Thakur said there was no need for such an order and the government intervened as soon as the matter came to light and immediately withdrew it.
चिट्ठी डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन हमीरपुर के द्वारा जारी हुई थी। चलो, जादू के शो स्कूल्स में हो, उसमें कोई आपत्तिजनक बात नहीं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ डिप्टी डायरेक्टर को इस तरह की चिट्ठी निकालना कोई इसका अर्थ नहीं था। तो इसके बारे में हमने सुबह ही प्रातःकाल जैसे सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से बात पता लगी, हमने कहा डिपार्टमेंट के माध्यम से, डायरेक्टर एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन के माध्यम से, कि इमीडिएटली इस लेटर को विड्रॉ किया जाए और साथ ही साथ जो एक इरिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर रहा है डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन का इस तरह की चिट्ठी जारी करने का, उसकी भी हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन कॉल की है।
Well, Sabya is joining us right now. Good morning, Sabyasachi. The Khatakhat model is something that the BJP is now questioning, to a point that even magic shows that are conducted in government-run schools are being asked to contribute nearly 30% of the earnings there. What's the point, really?
Well, that's right. See, the BJP once again has questioned the Khatakhat model of the Congress party. In fact, the BJP leaders in the state has given a suggestion to the Congress party that if they want donation, they should sit outside the Himachal Pradesh Secretariat and ask for donation. In fact, the BJP has straight away blamed the Congress party for the bankruptcy situation in the state of Himachal Pradesh, stating that the Congress is a reason behind it, and it is a bizarre move. In fact, time and again, the BJP has been questioning this Khatakhat model of the Congress party, and secondly, they have been reminding the Congress party of the bizarre move that they have been taking in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Firstly, the tax on toilet seats, and secondly, stating that 1/3 of the income of the magic shows had to be given to the CM disaster relief fund. So these are the questions which the BJP has been asking to the Congress government, though the Sukhu government immediately stated that they had withdrawn the notification and have asked for an explanation from the Deputy Director of Primary Education in Hamirpur. But really, this has once again put the Congress government in Himachal Pradesh in question mark. One after the other, such bizarre move which has been given by the Congress government over there, and now the BJP is counter-attacking them once again.
Well, the BJP raising the issue, saying that it is Congress-run Sukhu Sarkar which is responsible for the financial bankruptcy of the state of Himachal Pradesh. Sabya, thank you very much for the moment.